Welcome to UC Kids, writing the letter. Hey kids, let's learn writing the letter capital P. Yes, P. P for parrot. For this, you'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. To draw a capital P, first we will draw a standing line. Then come back to the top and draw a half circle to the middle. Now get your pencil and start writing. First we will draw a standing line. Then come back to the top and draw a half circle to the middle. Now let's draw it one more time. Standing line, half circle to the middle. Great job! Keep practicing. UC Kids.